I'm here for DevBlog 5 of MagicAnswers. Welcome back. We have done so much since then. Um, Literally, the project just came together like like that, and I started to add in different things like the curtains and the camera movement. And I did this camera movement, and I could make it better, but I kind of don't want to touch it because it's kind of like done enough in my mind. I think like abandoning something that's kind of completely done and then working on something that's not done is more important than anything else, because it's like I can move my brain to work on something else. So in the project I have, where when you have the history bar open and close, and then you have a button that says ask again, and the stuff pops up and the audio goes on. And so I got that hooked up, which is so cool how everything turned together. Something about, if I'm going into my MagicAnswers C# script, and I hovered my cursor over the switch, and then it had a way of reorganizing the switch to be even easier to read, and that was very cool. I enjoyed that. I went on YouTube, and I found this tutorial that I seen before, and I followed it to do a color lerp. So it switches between colors, and so the magic ball now will interpolate the colors of the mesh renderer, whatever colors I want, and it will do that over time. A very interesting little script I installed there. So I made some notes here on what I need to finish to completely finish the game. So, okay, the curtain and the tablecloth have kind of these errors in the 3D models, and I have decided that I probably will not fix them. And that's an active decision that I kind of just want to finish the project and not act like a perfectionist towards something like that, unless, and I can go back and fix that. Maybe it would take me an hour or more, but so I worked really on the visuals. What I have not completed here is that I want only the latest 25 questions to be loaded, maybe, and cut off the rest, because I think it would be bad for the server. So my IE numerator, my cooldown on asking a question doesn't work, so I'm gonna need help figuring out where I went wrong on that. I did some troubleshooting on that for a few minutes, and then I gave up. I didn't want to focus on troubleshooting my IE numerator because it's probably like really one little simple thing that I got wrong. Thinking about the finish line, I've already been starting on another project, and actually, like, making this vlog has been like a project in itself. When I started the MagicAnswers, I didn't think that I would actually be making this vlog, because it just came to me, and I was like, I want to document this. I've been getting better at putting myself on camera, videos which I'm releasing on a schedule, but creating those videos in the first place gave me a lot more confidence in making videos like this, because my relationship with the camera is a bit different than other people, because I'm an editor by trade and a videographer by trade. So what I get paid to do is to edit other people, film other people, not myself. So my relationship with the camera has always been behind it, not in front of it. So I think Vlog 6 will have some type of finished product in it, and is really cool. And so if you're watching this, I really hope you're watching the next episode, episode 6. It's going to be linked right here. Take a look. I'll see you there. Thank you for watching.